Welcome, fellow gardeners, to the wonderful world of blueberries. Today, we're diving into an essential practice that can make a world of difference for your blueberry plants: pruning. At Black Goldberries, we're passionate about growing these delicious and nutritious fruits. Blueberries are not only a treat for the taste buds, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. To ensure we get the best out of our blueberry bushes, we need to give them the care they deserve. Pruning is a vital practice for healthy blueberry plants. It involves selectively removing certain parts of the plant, such as branches, buds, or roots, to improve the plant's structure and encourage healthy growth. It might seem counterintuitive to cut back your plants, but trust me on this. Pruning is like giving your blueberry bushes a fresh start. By removing the old and unproductive parts, you allow the plant to focus its energy on producing new, vigorous growth. Pruning encourages vigorous new growth. When you prune, you're essentially telling the plant to wake up and start growing again. This new growth is often more productive and healthier than the old growth, leading to a more bountiful harvest. This means you'll enjoy a more bountiful harvest. More new growth means more branches, and more branches mean more blueberries. It's a win-win situation for both the plant and the gardener. Pruning also helps prevent disease. By removing old, dead or crowded branches, you improve air circulation within the plant. Good air circulation is crucial for preventing fungal diseases, which thrive in damp, crowded conditions. By removing old and crowded branches, you improve air circulation within the plant. This not only helps prevent disease, but also allows more sunlight to reach the inner parts of the plant, promoting overall health and productivity. This makes it harder for fungal diseases to take hold. Fungal spores need a damp, dark environment to thrive. And by pruning, you're creating a less hospitable environment for them. A well-pruned blueberry bush is a happy blueberry bush. When your plants are healthy and productive, you'll see the results in the form of plump, juicy blueberries. Remember, proper pruning is an investment. It might take some time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Your blueberry plants will be healthier, more productive, and more resistant to disease. It ensures your blueberry plants thrive for years to come. With regular pruning, you can enjoy a steady supply of delicious blueberries season after season. So, let's grab our pruning shears and head out to the blueberry patch. With a little care and attention, we can ensure our blueberry bushes remain healthy and productive for many years to come. Happy gardening. Timing is crucial when it comes to pruning blueberries in India. The climate and seasonal changes play a significant role in determining the right time to prune. The best time to prune is during the dormant season, from late winter to early spring. This period is essential because the plants are not actively growing, which minimizes stress and potential damage. This is typically between February and March, depending on your specific location. Different regions may experience the transition from winter to spring at slightly different times, so it's important to monitor local weather patterns. Pruning during dormancy allows the plant to heal quickly. The cuts made during this time will have ample opportunity to close up and protect the plant from diseases and pests. It also ensures that you don't accidentally remove any developing flower buds. These buds are crucial for the upcoming fruiting season, and careful pruning can help maximize your yield. These buds will give you those juicy blueberries. Proper pruning techniques can lead to a bountiful harvest with larger and more plentiful berries. Avoid pruning in late summer or autumn. During these seasons, the plants are still actively growing, and pruning can disrupt their natural cycle. Pruning during this time can stimulate new growth. While new growth might seem beneficial, it can actually be detrimental as the plant prepares for winter. This new growth is vulnerable to damage from winter frost. Frost can cause significant harm to tender new shoots, leading to reduced plant health and lower yields in the following season. Therefore, timing your pruning activities correctly is essential for the health and productivity of your blueberry plants. The first step in pruning your blueberry bushes is to remove any dead, damaged, or diseased wood. You can easily identify dead wood by its grey and brittle appearance. Diseased branches might have dark spots, cankers, or fungal growth. Use sharp pruning shears to make clean cuts close to the base of the branch. This prevents tearing and promotes faster healing. Remember to disinfect your pruning shears between each cut. This prevents the spread of disease. You can use a simple solution of rubbing alcohol or household bleach for this. Blueberry bushes need plenty of sunlight to produce a good crop. After removing dead and diseased wood, focus on opening up the center of the bush. This allows sunlight to reach the inner branches. Look for branches that are crossing or rubbing against each other. Remove one of the branches to create space. Aim for a vase-shaped structure, with the center open and the branches sloping outwards. Good air circulation is just as important as sunlight. It helps to prevent diseases and keeps your blueberry bushes healthy. Section 5. Renewing the bush. Pruning for vigorous growth. Pruning is a crucial practice for maintaining the health and productivity of your blueberry bushes. It might seem intimidating at first, but with the right techniques, you can ensure your plants thrive year after year. Blueberry bushes produce the best fruit on younger branches. These younger branches are more vigorous and capable of producing larger, juicier berries. By focusing on the health of these branches, you can maximize your harvest. Older branches tend to be less productive. As branches age, they lose their vigor and their ability to produce high-quality fruit diminishes. This is why it's important to regularly prune your bushes, removing the older, less productive wood. To encourage vigorous growth, remove some of the oldest canes. This process stimulates the plant to produce new, healthy canes that will bear fruit in the coming seasons. It's a bit like giving your plant a fresh start. Identify the oldest canes by their thicker diameter and darker bark. These canes are usually the ones that have been on the plant for several years and have become less efficient at producing fruit. Cut these canes down to the ground level. This might seem harsh, but it's necessary for the overall health of the plant. By removing these old canes, you make room for new growth. You can remove up to 1/3 of the oldest canes each year. This gradual approach ensures that the plant isn't stressed too much at once and can continue to produce fruit while regenerating. This might seem drastic, but it's essential for keeping your blueberry bushes healthy and productive. Regular pruning helps to maintain the shape of the bush, improves air circulation, and reduces the risk of disease. New canes will emerge from the base of the plant, replacing the old ones. These new canes are the future of your blueberry bush, and with proper care, they will ensure a bountiful harvest for years to come. Remember, a well-pruned bush is a happy bush, and a happy bush produces the best berries. Section 6. Height control, taming the blueberry for easy harvest. Blueberry bushes can grow quite tall, making harvesting difficult. You can control the height of your blueberry bush by pruning back tall branches. Aim to maintain a height that's comfortable for you to reach. This will make harvesting much easier. When pruning for height, make your cuts just above a healthy bud. This encourages new growth in the desired direction. Section 7. Post-pruning, TLC, fungicide, fertilizer and mulch. After pruning, it's essential to give your blueberry bushes some extra care. Apply a fungicide to the pruned areas. This helps prevent diseases from entering the wounds. Fertilize your blueberry bushes with an acid-loving fertilizer. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil. Mulch around the base of the plant with pine needles, bark chips or sawdust. This helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds and maintain soil acidity. Proper aftercare ensures that your blueberry bushes recover quickly from pruning and thrive in the long run. Section 8. Reaping the rewards, bountiful berries. Oh wait, congratulations, you've successfully pruned your blueberry bushes. With proper pruning and care, you can look forward to a bountiful harvest of delicious blueberries. Remember to be patient. It might take a season or two to see the full benefits of your pruning efforts. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Fresh blueberries are a delightful treat. Enjoy them fresh off the bush or use them in your favorite recipes. Section 9. Black Gold Berries, your partners in blueberry success. At Black Gold Berries, we're committed to helping you grow the healthiest and most productive blueberry bushes possible. We offer a wide variety of blueberry plants, perfect for India's unique climate. Visit our website or contact us today for more information on blueberry varieties, planting tips, and expert advice. Let us help you turn your blueberry dreams into a delicious reality. Section 10. Beyond the basics, more pruning wisdom awaits. This is just the beginning of your blueberry pruning journey. There's always more to learn. Visit our website for more in-depth articles and videos on pruning techniques, pest control, and other blueberry care tips. Happy growing!